Your gear deserves a bodyguard. This beast of a case eats dirt, dunks, drops, and still smirks. Still trusting your fragile gear to that flimsy plastic bin or soft-sided excuse of a bag? Let's be real, life outdoors isn't gentle, and neither are airport handlers, rocky trails, rainstorms, or gravity itself. Whether you're hauling camera lenses, audio gear, drones, or ammo, chances are your current setup is just barely doing the job, and praying nothing bumps, drops, or leaks. Poorly protected gear means stress on every trip, fragile foam falling apart, cracked cases, mystery water damage, and long nights wondering if your stuff will survive the ride. You're stuck babying your gear, when you should be out adventuring like a boss. And when that anxiety spikes every time your gear takes a bump, you know it's gone too far. Missed shots, wrecked electronics, waterlogged gadgets, or even worse, that sick feeling in your gut when you hear something rattle inside your bag. You're on edge, traveling slower, constantly checking your case, wasting time trying to rearrange the foam like a puzzle from hell. It's not just annoying, it's draining your productivity, eating into your adventure time, and crushing your confidence. Gear stress becomes mission stress. And let's not even talk about TSA dropkicking your setup. One mistake, and boom, hundreds or thousands in damage. Enough's enough. Enter the Monoprice Pure Outdoor Weatherproof Wheeled Hardcase, aka your gear's new armored bodyguard. This isn't your cousin's tackle box. We're talking IP67 rated protection against dust, dirt, dunkings, yes, 1 meter deep for 30 minutes, UV blasting sunrays, and impact punishment. Inside, you get pluckable, customizable foam that molds exactly to your gear, no janky shifting, no guessing games. On the outside, it's rugged polypropylene muscle with shockproof swagger, lockable latches, and a pressure relief valve that laughs in the face of altitude. And did we mention the 2-inch wheels and ergonomic rubber handles? This case doesn't just travel, it glides. With 145.8 liters of hardcore protection, this case brings peace of mind to the most chaotic missions. Whether you're off-roading in Utah, storm chasing in Florida, or just flying to your next film gig, the Monoprice beast keeps everything sealed, stable, and secure. Cut the foam once and never worry again. This is a streamlined, grab-and-go solution for pros who can't afford to lose gear or sanity. The 6.6mm padlock holes keep sticky fingers and curious creatures out, while its rugged shell scoffs at drops, shocks, and UV. Your gear stays dry, dust-free, and exactly where you left it. So what's the move? Easy. Stop playing gear roulette. Upgrade to the Pure Outdoor case that's built like a tank but rolls like a dream. This is your go anywhere, do anything gear vault that says, not today, chaos. Don't wait until your $2,000 lens looks like it went 10 rounds with a lawnmower. Click buy now and armor up. Give your gear the protection it deserves, and finally hit the trail, airport, or apocalypse with zero worries. Just you, your gear, and total confidence. Go ahead, dare the elements. This case dares them back.